Hi, we're Ashley
MB.
from Ashbea Music, and we're the founders of the Music Aptitude Maestros app.
For over 10 years, we've been helping students prepare for their 11 plus secondary school entry exams, and we know how important it is to get it right.
Only a small percentage of students make it into their chosen grammar schools. It's tough, but with the Music Aptitude Maestros app, your child can be part of that group.
The app is packed with features to help train your child's ears and ace the Music Aptitude Test, or MAT.
With unlimited random tests, your child can challenge themselves with fresh questions every single time. And with the training mode, they'll master how to answer random combinations of different questions from the 4 sections of the test, building their confidence and speed every step of the way. You can track your child's progress with ease too, and make learning a game with the streak mode.
Every incorrect answer comes with expert tips and advice to help your child improve. You can practice anytime, anywhere with over 1,000 questions.
And this is for a fraction of the cost of pricey private lessons. You'll save over £100 a month with the option to have a 3 trial before your subscription starts.
Let's make learning music fun and help your child hit all the right notes.
Start training with Music Aptitude Maestros today.